So we're back with a brand new product. This is the Airhood. This is a very interesting device. When you're cooking, a lot of things on your range are going to produce smoke. Um, a lot of byproduct. And if you don't have a kitchen specifically designed with a hood or ventilation system, the smoke kind of just goes into the kitchen and permeates there. Um, Dirtying up items, releasing grease on things, or worst case scenario, setting off smoke detectors. So this is a solution for that problem. This is the Airhood. It is a cooking fume extractor service using dual filter technology, 3 settings, and a quiet operation mode specifically designed to grab that smoke from your cooking and keep your house cleaner, smelling better, and then also prevent those alarms from going off. So let's open this up. Let's check to see what comes inside. That's cool. Okay. So right off the bat, one thing I will specifically say is that it is cleared for use in California, which apparently has their own ozone emission requirements for things like this. We've got a manual. And then I think this is just... Oh, filters. Charcoal filters. For additional charcoal filters, ask your retailer or order on our website. Nice. So it comes with 4 filters, and I'm guessing over time you'll have to use those up. Okay. So let's look at the actual unit here. Really well protected. Got these little cellophane pieces. And you have a handle for hanging or a base for standing. Guessing that front comes off here so you can access the charcoal filter. Just goes right there in the front. Locks in place. Got the 3-speed adjuster on the top here. You can see there. And it does have a warning that says do not use next to an open flame. I'm guessing because it will suck the flame in. And then the power cord actually appears to hide in the base pretty well. There we go. And you plugged it into power. Okay. It's pretty solid. It does get a little bit louder on the higher settings, but setting 1 is pretty white noise. It's not very loud or bothersome. That's pretty straightforward. I mean, we'll use this real quick to double check with the range, but like it's pretty easy. They say to dismantle and to clean, you just take this unit here. There's a lock and unlock. So let's unlock. That comes off there. You take the screen, and then apparently you can just, I guess, rinse it out. And to relock, you just twist it back on after you get that back in place. And then this connects magnetically in there. Now they also gave us the Airhood base boost. Let's see what this is. just a weighted piece of plastic that goes on the bottom that gives it extra height if you need to raise it up higher. That's it's a literal boost. Yeah. Then again, if you do want to store it, just take this cord, wrap it up. And then you can just tuck that into the actual base of the unit. Yeah. That looks really nice and clean. You can just put that on the counter, or you keep your other appliances when you're not using them. You get a cupboard. That's really solid and nice, and hopefully this has been helpful for you guys. We're going to take this right now. We're going to place this in front of a cooking dish. We're going to show you how that works to kind of pick up the smoke. We'll be right back. Well, hopefully you guys found that helpful. You're on your way to picking up your own, and we will see you guys next time.